Start your creative career with professional interior design training at CAD Nest Institute. Learn how to design beautiful homes, offices, and commercial spaces. Master 2D planning and realistic 3D interior design. Build a professional design portfolio and start your career in interior design. Join CAD Nest and become a professional interior designer. Enroll today and begin your journey in interior design.